Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is verbs for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. In math, we learn how to, for example, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Add. We learn how to add numbers. To add numbers. To add something to something. Bob will add some salt to the soup. He fell because he on a banana peel with his foot, with his shoe. The peel is the part of a banana that you don't eat. He stepped on a banana peel. Usually with on, to step on something. We also say to step out, to step down. Please check your dictionaries. She's upset because he... This is on paper with a pencil. On the computer we say to delete. He erased her name. To erase something. Erased. Erasing. She will go to Florida. That's a state in America. She is, before the trip, she has to put all of her things in her bags. Packing. She's packing her bags now. To pack your bags for a trip somewhere. Jennifer will us through the park. This means Jennifer has gone to the park many times, but we are new. We don't know where to go. She will guide us through the park. To guide somebody somewhere is when you know the area, but they don't. Guided. Guiding. The group will. This is similar to hold or produce. They will stage a big event downtown. He is his shoulder, like this. Can you see me? With your hand. To touch with your hand and then you move your hand. Rub. He's rubbing his shoulder. To rub something. She's a good player, but this means she doesn't have enough confidence. She lacks confidence. To lack something. Since you don't know about it, Bob will. This means to give somebody information so they understand something better. He will enlighten you. That beach was nice. Can you? It in your mind now? Can you picture it in your mind? Bye-bye.